Hi there, students. To hoot, or a hoot. Well, you know an owl. Woo, woo. An owl hoots at night. But hoot is a lot more than just that. For example, you hoot the horn on your car. So when she arrived at my house, she hooted on the horn for me to come out. So a hoot, a short, loud, high sound. I heard a hoot of laughter come from the room, a roar of laughter. So to hoot, to make this sound, I hooted my horn at my friend as I drove by. The owl hooted at night. So the sound of an owl showing, saying it's there. If something is a hoot, it could be amusing. The party was a real hoot. I guess the idea of this is there were hoots of laughter at the party. Okay, so hoot, a low wavering musical sound, typical of owls. Twit, ooh, ooh, to hoot. So an owl hoots. As the owl hooted, the sun came up. So it's a cry, it's a shout, but a hoot of laughter. The audience started hooting with laughter. There were hoots of derision from the crowd when he missed the penalty. A raucous sound, a strong sound made by a horn or a siren or a steam whistle. So he honked his horn, he hooted his horn, he tooted his horn. Okay, and so to hoot, to make this hooting sound. So a derisive cry, ha! He hooted in derision. Or the cry of an owl, the owl hooting. The party was a real hoot. And then one other phrase, I don't give a hoot what you say. I don't give an iota, I don't give the smallest thing. I don't really care. This is probably a bit dated though. I don't give a hoot what you say. I really don't care what you say. Okay, so to hoot. To cry out, yeah, in disapproval. The cry of an owl. To blow a horn or a whistle, to toot a horn, to hoot a horn. That's, I think, probably quite British. And the hoot of an owl. I could hear the hoots of owls in the wood. Okay, so a loud cry like a bird, or to laugh or shout derisively. There were hoots of derision, there were hoots of laughter. A loud mechanical sound, hooting your horn. Okay, so if you hoot the horn of a vehicle, it makes a loud noise. This is definitely very British. Somewhere in the distance, a siren hooted. Rude motorists hoot at absolutely everybody. They blast their horn. I think the Americans use honk your horn or toot your horn. In British English, to hoot your horn. If you hoot, a loud pitched noise when you're laughing or showing disapproval. The protesters were hooting at the police. I was hooting with laughter. It was very funny. There were hoots of laughter coming from a room. And when an owl hoots, ooh, ooh, I could hear the hoot of an owl in the garden. If you say that something's a hoot, you think it's really funny, it's really amusing. This guy is a real hoot. So let's see, formality. An owl hoots, 5 in formality. There was a hoot of laughter. For informality. I wouldn't use that in something very formal. This guy is a hoot. 3 informality. Only use informally. The horn hooted. 5 informality. And then as to origin, it comes from North Germanic. There's an old Swedish word, hooter, to get somebody to go because you think they're horrible. Hoot in Swedish, be gone. So, to hoot. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hoot.